Welcome to day 16 of the 50 Skills in 50 Days Challenge, where we're learning to become a UI/UX designer. You can turn your creativity into a high-income remote design career, potentially earning $40 to $130 per hour. Today, we dive into UI/UX design. For every app or website you use, someone designed that experience. That person is a UI/UX designer. UI is the user interface, how it looks. UX is the user experience, how it works. You don't need a degree to start in this most in-demand creative skill. UI focuses on the visual design, including colors, typography, buttons, and layouts. UX is about how the product works, involving user research, wireframes, user flows, and making the journey effortless. Key activities include app design, user research, and prototyping in wireframes using tools like Figma. Here's what you can earn. A junior designer typically earns $40 to $60 per hour, focusing on landing pages and app screens. Mid-level roles range from $60 to $90 per hour, involving full app designs and design systems. Senior or lead positions can earn $90 to $130 per hour. Freelancers or agencies can command $70 to over $150 per hour. We've gathered 7 free certification sites. Sites 1 through 4 include the Interaction Design Foundation, Career Foundry for a free intro course, Figma Academy for official Figma training, and Adobe XD Learn and Support for tutorials and a free certificate. Sites 5 through 7 include LearnUX.io, offering free UX video courses and portfolio building content, Uni Athena for a free mini MBA-style UX design certification, and Dribble Free Design School for free learning resources and design challenges.
This is the interface of the website I just mentioned. Go to your browser and type idxf.org. This website will give you access to free UI/UX design courses, and we have this one closes in 2 days. As at the time I was recording this video, this one is closing in 1 hour 17 minutes, while this one is closing in 5 days. I think it's for sometimes, but I believe you will find something interesting on this website, and it's a very good one, a recommended website. So I wish you best of luck. Moving on to the next one. The next one is carefoundry.com. Carefoundry.com will give you access to Intro to UX Design user interface, and it is a free course, but there is no certifications. Just have to learn the introduction of UI/UX design. Moving on to the next one. The next one is Figma.com. You all know Figma, right? God, that's Figma. It's for UI/UX design. It's a free trial though. You can click on this free trial and learn it. Use your email address, then sign in. You'll be sent a verification email, then sign in and start your free trial. I think the free trial is for 30 days. So in 30 days, if you can finish the courses, it's good for you. But if you can't, then you have to make payments. This one is Adobe.com. They will just give you material on Adobe.com on what UI/UX design look like. It is not a video courses, but you have the designs. Everything in writing is here on Adobe. I wish you all the best. This one is Dribble.com. Dribble.com will give you free resources, just resources, no videos, just resources. This is Uni Athena. Uni Athena have free courses on UI/UX design with certificates. So the certificate will be sent to you via emails once you are done with your course. They have short courses. I have learned some courses with Uni Athena before, so that is why I know they will send you your certificate through your email address. So make sure you use a valid email. Another one is mygreatlearning.com. My Great Learning will give you free UI/UX design course with a certifications. This is what the certificates look like, and this is the course outline, the fundamental, the differentiating search strategy, the end-to-end UI. So this is the course outline. Best of luck. Another one is Springboard. Springboard is a website that allows you to take a free courses. So you can just come to Springboard and start your UI UX design courses and just click on this get started. Then moving on to where you need to sign in with your email address. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Today is day 16 and we are going to 50 days, meaning we still have more days to go. So make sure you click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, and drop your comments below. Join the 50 skills in 50 days community where you join other people that are learning the same thing you are learning. So this is Coursera, one of my favorite websites. There's a free UI UX design course on Coursera, from principle to web and app design with Figma, web design, from user interface to user experience, Adobe, everything is right here. Figma, everything is right here on Coursera. You know, it's one of the favorites, and you still have free ebooks to download. The next one is Simply Learn. Simply Learn will give you access to free training and a certificate after the completion of your training. So it's just 1 hour training and you have 90 days access. So in these 90 days, if you are not through with this course, you are going to make payments. But if you are through in 90 days, then you have access to a certificate without paying a dime. Another one is uxuiopen.com. Should I repeat it? uxuiopen.com is a UI UX design website that focuses on UI UX design only. So this is a material courses online. Different between, you can see this is the difference between UI and UX. This is pure tutorial. You have to read this to understand the basics of UI UX design. The next one is Codecademy. Codecademy has a free courses on UI UX design. So just come here. You can just start the course, but if you want to choose different one, you can just come here and search for more courses, and I will give you a certificate after the completion of this training. So click on start the course. They will ask you for your email address, your password, and you can see this. They will ask for your email and password. Just sign in and voila, start your course in UI UX design. So this is what the course included: AI assistant guided coding help, projects to apply new skills, quiz to test your knowledge, certificate of completion. This is what this course included. So I don't think you have any excuse not to start anything this year. So moving on to the next one, open browser and go to uxdatabase.io. uxdatabase.io. It's a website that offers free training, but it's a free trial, and you can use it to design your projects. So just come here, free online product design course. So just come here and click on learn product design for free. Then this is the course curriculum: the basic, discover, explore more, define the solution. So they have so many projects you can work on here. I wish you the very best. Moving on to the next one. The next one is cashwisdom.com. You heard me right? cashwisdom.com. Cashwisdom have series of free courses you can learn. One of it is UI UX design. You can see it is absolutely free, 100% free. Just click on start, then they will ask you to sign up and start your course. Then you can actually have this course in 7 different languages, unlimited access. It is mobile compatibility, and it is 8 units of content. Basically, this is a new course you just have to start and learn. These are the curriculum. You have 8 units course. Final exam is just 1. So you have certificates like this after the completion. So the next one is gymnasium.com. Come to gymnasium.com and have 100% free self-paced courses online on UI UX design, mobile design, and so many other ones. This is UX, preventing confirmation bias in UX. Just click on watch videos. And this one does not even require you to start signing in and putting email. Just start your course immediately. Best of luck. The next one is careers360.com. Absolutely free, and it has a certificate after the completion of the training. So just choose your course you want to learn. Take your time. There's UI UX design course here too. Just take your time to look for the job, for the skills you want to learn. This is Career Viral. Careerviral.com is one of the best. It will give you series of websites that offer free certification course. So this is Future Learn, this is Bit Degree, this is Audacity, this is Bit Degree. So you can just go on and look for the courses on Career Viral. So best of luck. The next one is Elify. Elify will give you access to UI UX design course for free. And if you want to upgrade to the premium courses, which is the pro one, you can also pay 9,000 naira to do that. But if you don't want to upgrade to premium, you can start for free. There's short courses on Elify to start with. Moving on to Octet.design. 100% full access from beginners to pro level in UI UX design. Just name it. What is UI? How you can set it up, how you can work smart, step by step is right here. The process of every single thing is right here on Octet.design Academy. The next one, which is 100% full training, is LearnUIUX.in. LearnUIUX.in is a website that offers 100% free UI UX design course for beginners. So just come here, click on the course you want to start. This is the introduction part, and this is the roadmap. So just come here and start step by step. This is for UX and this is for UI. You can watch the tutorial in English and you can also watch it in Indian. Basically, you have two languages to learn here. So this is training, this is Figma training, this is design system, this is how you can apply for jobs and intern as a UI UX design. Everything is right here on learnuiux.in. The lecture 7 says improve UX with practical example. You know what I love about this website is that it's going to give you practical example on the courses you are learning with them. They are going to show you everything that you will see in real life. So that is why I like this website. The basic tools you can start with as a beginner is also here. Basic AI tools that you can start with. You can see all of this. Then the advanced learning of AI tools. How to make money with ChatGPT as well now. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, then you're missing out. Make sure you click on that subscribe button because tomorrow class is going to be banger. And make sure you like this video, share with a friend to learn skills, because we are going to 50 days. If day 16 is not for you, then definitely wait for day 40. That day 40 might be for you. I wish you best of luck on this journey of your new career or switching career. The only thing you need to do right now to have a accountability partner is to join the family of 50 skills in 50 days community, and that will really help you have an accountability partner where you have someone that is learning the same thing you're learning, and that will actually make the journey easier for you. Best of luck. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, and let's move on to the important part, which is the job part.
Next, let's look at remote job platforms. Dribble Jobs is the largest design-specific job board. Behance Jobs is Adobe's global creative job board. The Muse offers roles with company culture profiles, and built-in remote lists UI/UX roles from funded tech companies and startups. The remaining job platforms are FreeUp, a pre-vetted freelance marketplace, DesignHill, a global design job and freelance marketplace, and Crop, a clean job board specifically for creative professionals. Your design career starts with 4 steps. First, learn Figma for free. Second, build a 3 case study portfolio by redesigning screens and uploading them to Behance or Dribbble. Third, apply to junior remote roles on Dribbble and Built-in. Fourth, join the free 50 Skills in 50 Days community. Here are 6 essential free tools for every UI/UX designer. Figma, the #1 UI/UX tool worldwide. Maze, a user testing platform with the free tier. Miro, a free collaborative whiteboard. Whimsical for fast wireframing and flowcharts. Coolers.co to generate color palettes. And Google Fonts, providing over 1,400 free fonts. Please subscribe to the Adekunle Adeola channel for a new skill every day. Tap like to help thousands discover this free series. Click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss day 17. One share could redirect an entire career path. Join the free 50 Skills in 50 Days community to share designs, get feedback, and find your first client. Day 16 is complete. Great design is invisible, it just works. And now you can make it. We covered the top certification, the best job site, earning potential, and the community. Drop a comment below to vote for the skill you want next, and day 17 will be built around your choice.